Hi guys, welcome to Educational Toys ASMR. Today we are unboxing this Wordle game from Hasbro. This is for age 14 plus, but my 10-year-old loves playing this. He plays this online, but they give one word every day, so I thought of getting this game for him because this one can be played whenever he wants, and we can do multiple words at a time. So this basically has these green, yellow, and okay, they don't have gray tiles. On the online version there's gray as well, so they have green and yellow tiles. Look here. So the letters that are correct and in the correct place are supposed to be marked green, and the letters that are correct in the word but not in the correct place are supposed to be marked yellow, and the letters that are completely incorrect and not in the given word are supposed to be marked gray. I'll tell you how this works. Okay, so this comes with 3 write and wipe boards. Then there is this card. This is also write and wipe, where one of the players has to decide a word and the rest of the 3 players will guess the word. This can be played by 2, 3 or 4 players. So one has to decide and then one other person has to play, or 3 other people can play. Okay, let's open this first and we'll open the rest of the things. So this is where you decide the word, and then these are the cards. Okay, it's not double-sided, it's one-sided. So this is how you play. So one person decides a 5-letter word, okay, and then you have 6 attempts to guess that word. So let's say the word is lunch, and I guess a word that has a couple of letters in it. Okay, so for example, if I say drunk, so you have U and N that is actually in the word lunch, which has been decided before the game starts. So I will mark U and N yellow because they are correct, they are in the word, but they're not in the correct place. But if I say truck, so drunk and truck both have K at the end, so basically that K would be in the correct place. So I will place the green tile on top of it, so we know that that is the correct place. So by the time the player reaches the 6th round, they should guess the word correctly, and they have A to Z here, so they can cross out the letters that are not anywhere and the ones that are correct and not in the correct position, and so on. Okay, so these are the 3 cards. This is the card where you guess. This is a booklet of the instructions. So this is basically what I just told you, and then they also have a word list here. We can use different words as well, but for assistance or whatever, for ideas, you can use these as well. Then we have 3 shields. This is like a mask shield or something, so that, oh okay, you're going to place it on the table so that when you're working nobody else can see. So there are 3 players playing, so they have 3 shields over here, so you cannot see what the other person is writing. Okay, this is also foldable like this. So you place your card here, okay, you place the shields like this, you place your card here, and then you play, and only the person who has given the word will see it and mark it, and the other players cannot see. Okay, and then it comes with 3 write and erase markers. So you write on this and then you can erase it. Okay, please like and subscribe for more content of this sort. I will be reviewing a couple of other educational games, and let me know if you want to see any game that you have been looking for. Like if you want a review of any game, just let me know. I'll try to get it for you and then I'll review it. Okay, thank you, take care, thank you for watching, take care, bye bye.